Exercise 1. Incline Barbell Press, main target, upper chest. If you really want to build that big upper chest, Incline Barbell Press is a must. Set an adjustable bench to about a 45 degrees angle and lie back. Grip the bar just a bit wider than shoulder width. Slowly lower it down to your upper chest under full control, and then press back up, squeezing your chest hard at the top. Right pointing backhand index. Do 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Beginners struggling with form, use the Smith machine for extra stability. Exercise 2. Flat Bench Dumbbell Fly, outer chest focus. This move stretches and builds that wide, muscular chest. Grab a pair of light dumbbells, lie flat on the bench, and hold them above your chest with arms straight. With a slight bend in your elbows, slowly lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a fly motion, then bring them back together on top. Right pointing backhand index. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 3. Push UPS, bodyweight chest builder. The classic chest and triceps killer. Start in a plank position with hands shoulder width apart, body straight from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up strong. Keep your core tight and don't let your hips sag. Right pointing backhand index. Go for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 4. Flat Barbell Bench Press, compound mass builder. One of the best overall chest movements. Lie flat on a bench, plant your feet firmly on the ground, and grab the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower it down to mid-chest with control, then press it up, squeezing your chest at the top. Right pointing backhand index. Do 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Pro tip: you can also do this with dumbbells or on the Smith machine. Exercise 5. Cable crossover, inner chest finisher. Perfect for carving out that chest line. Set the pulleys high on the cable machine, grab the handles, and step forward. With elbows slightly bent, bring your hands together in front of you and squeeze your chest. Slowly return for a deep stretch, then repeat. Right pointing backhand index. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 6. Chest dips, lower chest and triceps. This one's advanced but powerful for the lower chest. Grab parallel bars, lower yourself slowly until your shoulders are below your elbows, then push back up while squeezing chest and triceps. Keep the motion controlled for max pump. Right pointing backhand index. Go for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 7. Machine chest press, beginner friendly. If you're new to lifting or just want safe overload, this is your move. Sit down with your back against the pad. Grab the handles with an overhand grip and press them forward until arms are straight. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then return slowly. Focus on squeezing the chest, not rushing the representatives. Right pointing backhand index. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives.